Let's talk about circulatory system. Circulatory system is the life support structure that nourishes your cell with nutrients from the food you eat and oxygen from the air you breathe. The three major parts of circulatory system are heart, blood, and blood vessels. The heart pumps the blood throughout the body. The blood vessel carries the blood throughout the body. There are three types of blood vessels: the arteries, veins, and capillaries. Arteries carry the oxygenated blood away from the heart. Veins carry the deoxygenated blood to the heart. Capillaries are the smallest blood vessels in the body, connecting the smallest arteries to the smallest veins. It is also the actual site where gases and nutrients are exchanged. Another part of circulatory system is the blood. The blood carries the materials throughout the body. There are three types of circulation. We have pulmonary, coronary, and systemic. In pulmonary circulation, the movement of the blood is from the heart to the lungs, and back to the heart. The movement of the blood in coronary circulation is through the tissue of the heart. In systemic circulation, the movement of the blood is from the heart to the rest of the body, excluding the lungs. Heart rate or pulse is the number of times your heart beats in a minute, BPM, or beats per minute. Normal heart rate for adults over the age of 10 years, including older adults, is between 60 and 100 beats per minute or BPM. Highly trained athletes may have a resting rate below 60 BPM, sometimes reaching 40 BPM. Now, you know.